Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first ever voiceover vlog, so please be a little kind and supportive. Today I'm here at IKEA Hyderabad where up to 70% sale is going on. So I thought I'll show you some amazing home decor items, home items, so that you will know what to expect with prices whenever you're coming next. Before shopping, let's talk about their huge IKEA cafeteria. There's very big seating area and I really love how family friendly it is. They also have separate cabin style seating which is perfect if you're coming with your kids or family. Now coming to the food options, there's something for everyone here. They have lots of varieties of food options. Basically this is a Swedish restaurant which is very famous for their cheesecakes, hot dogs, cinnamon rolls, muffins, cookies, nuggets. You'll also find a good variety of veg and non-veg options, so don't you have to worry there. Honestly, this is a great place to relax before or after you go for shopping. So you can see lots of varieties lying up there. You can pick whatever you choose, and there'll be a billing section where you can just pay and go sit, relax. Now the shopping area starts with my favorite section, which is artificial flowers. Look at this variety. They have so much of variety of flowers and different colors. These are perfect if you want your home to look fresh without the maintenance of the real plants or real flowers. They have sunflowers, orchids, lilies, and so many other flowers in different colors. Some of the flowers starts from just rupees 79 till 499 to 699. Right next to these flowers, you can see different flower vases. As you can see, these all come in different shapes, sizes and colors, and many of them are on sale at this time. You can just mix and match these vases with artificial flowers for a very aesthetic look. Look at those beautiful vibrant colors. This clear glass vase is pricing at 299 rupees, and you can pair it up with this beautiful artificial flower which is priced at 79 rupees. Moving on to some very useful kitchen and storage items. This set of storage bowls with lids is priced at 499, which is perfect for daily use. These three boxes come in very good nice colors, and the storage box with compartments costs at 199, which is great for organizing things. And here's a set of 4 clear glasses for just 499 rupees. These are honestly very minimal and classy. They also have these airtight glass jars with lids priced at 186. There are so many variety of storage options here. Cabinets, shelves, organizers in different colors and styles. Especially this sage green cabinet stole my heart. Now let's check out some living room essentials. This living room lamp is priced at 1190. This is very elegant. Would look great near your TV cabinet. A side table lamp which is just for 599 on sale. This is perfect for your bedside or corner lighting. This dimmable table lamp which costs at 1790. This is great if you like adjustable lighting. They also have this bamboo LED lamp for 2990. This looks beautiful. And this artificial potted plant is also priced at 2990, which would be great for your living room. This hat and coat stand is available for 1990, very practical and stylish. Look at this cute home setup display. Now coming to glassware, there are so many options. These drinking glasses are priced at $199 each. Great for serving cocktails in it. You can also use for water. These cute pink glasses cost 120 rupees each. They also have this set of 4 clear glasses at 499 rupees. This is a great deal. The glass is big and clear. This clear serving stand with lid, which is perfect for pastries, cheese or cakes, is on sale for just 1990. This bamboo serving bowl costs 608 rupees. Very aesthetic for hosting. Here's a stainless steel coffee maker priced at 1190. This design looks neat, which should be very easy to clean. This huge off-white vacuum flask is on sale for just 699 rupees. It says that this keeps the drinks hot or cold for up to 6 hours. I found this cute cat house with a soft cushion, costed at 999 rupees. These deep plate bowls are priced at 280 rupees. Practical for daily meals. Now let's check out some really cute and budget-friendly decor pieces. This lantern for block candles is priced at 699. Perfect for balconies, corners, and even festive decor. You'll find a wide variety of wall frames here. Minimal, colorful, and modern styles that can instantly upgrade your walls. Look at this cute alarm clock, compact, aesthetic, and priced at just 449 rupees. Moving on to dining, IKEA has an amazing set of serving plates and dining plates available in a wide price range and such beautiful colors. You can easily mix and match based on your style. This cutlery set has priced at just 229 rupees. Super affordable and great for everyday use. These set of 6 clear glasses are for rupees 449. Perfect for both daily use and hosting as well. Check out these steel pots with lids. One is priced at 1396. Another larger stainless steel option is also there, which is on offer at 1865. These are very sturdy and great for regular cooking. This stainless steel serving or baking mixer bowl is priced at 655 rupees. Perfect for baking, salads, or even serving. These wooden spoons are priced at 139 rupees. Now let's talk about storage. This storage cabinet is available in different colors, priced at 2990 on sale. Great for small spaces like this. These storage boxes start at 199, and this set of 3 boxes with lids is just 149. Perfect for organizing shelves and drawers. These drawer or shelf mats are only for 99 rupees. The best part is that you can cut them as per your size requirement. This white basket here is priced at 748 rupees. Great for toys, bathroom storage or laundry. Here are some airtight glass jars with lids for 349 rupees each. Looks very aesthetic. You'll also find sets of 3 and small glass jars, ideal for spices or small storage needs. Look at this aesthetic table lamp, super minimal and classy, priced at just 1990. This mobile phone holder is just at 49 rupees. Such a steal and very useful. This spray bottle is just 99 rupees. Great for cleaning or plant care. Coming to bathroom section, you'll find multiple options starting from soap dispensers, starting from just 79 rupees, going up to 799, available in multiple different colors. This black set of soap trays, toothbrush holders, soap dispensers are very minimal and aesthetic to look at. These tissue boxes and cute tissues add a nice touch to the bathroom or bedrooms. Look at this vibrant game room setup. Such an inspiration. Overall, there is much more to explore and I can't put everything in this one video, so wait for part 2. And since this is my first voiceover vlog, please do share your feedback in the comments and share which one is your favorite part or favorite item from the vlog. It really means a lot to me. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.